Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll be showing you how I make my homemade feminine wash that's pH balanced and it's gentle for your vaginal area. It's free of harsh chemicals and sulfates, but it's made with gentle moisturizing ingredients. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm starting out by weighing out my ingredients. Everything I used will be listed in the description box. So I'm going to weigh out my surfactants. I'm using 2 surfactants. The 2 surfactants I'm using are gentle and not irritating on your skin. But do your research on surfactants. You definitely do not want to use Castile soap because you're not able to pH balance Castile soap. I'm using some rose hydrosol for this feminine wash because it's very good for soothing the skin, and you can also use lavender hydrosol, cucumber hydrosol, and then I'm using some aloe vera juice, which is very moisturizing for your skin as well. So now I'm just going to mix everything all up, and you want to make sure that you're using moisturizing ingredients. You don't want anything too harsh for your vaginal area. So now I'm going to combine both my surfactants and my water mixture together. So you want to mix this up very carefully so that way you don't activate so much lather. And just a quick reminder for my next online class, that will be July 25th. The registration link is in the description box if you are interested in signing up. This will be a 3-hour online class offered through Zoom. So the next thing I'm going to do is to check the pH of my feminine wash. This is really important. You don't want to make a feminine wash that has a really high pH level. So I check the pH and then I balance the pH using some citric acid. So if you are going to be using a feminine wash, just make sure you use one that's pH balanced, so that way it doesn't throw off your natural pH level of your vaginal area. So now I'm going to add my preservative. I'm using Luicidal Complete. There are many other options you can use, but that's what I decided to use. It's more of a natural preservative. So I'm just going to add that in and mix it well. So my homemade feminine wash is ready. It's pH balanced, moisturizing and gentle for your vaginal area. I'm going to package this up next. I'm using the foaming bottles that I usually get from Amazon. So you can use this feminine wash once or twice a day. anytime you shower or take a bath. I'm going to show you the lather, and I'm also going to show you the lather side by side of my store-bought feminine wash and the one that I just made. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please reach out to me in the comments with questions you have about this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And please also like this video because that really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.